Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. We've got some rain headed our way this weekend, Dave.
That's right, we do. Nothing in the moment here in the metro area, but we are talking about some hazy sunshine. You can see from Hoover high Regency camera 88 there in Hoover now. Dew point in the upper 60s. Starting to feel a bit muggier. 90 from Birmingham back over toward Asheville, Talladega, back to Brent, Tuscaloosa, Mountville 93. But then you get to Hamilton, Double Springs 85. Look at the storms there in Hamilton. They've actually been severe now. Marion and Lamar counties. This warning does go until 5 o'clock here. Hamilton area, we are talking about some pretty gusty winds here, maybe up to 60 miles per hour. Possibility maybe some quarter-size hail working its way across Marion County. So be keeping an eye out for that as it continues on its way toward Hamilton. Brilliant area back toward Gewin and possibly maybe Haleyville there as you get over toward Winston County. That's all we have going on right now locally, but that's part of our next weather maker, which is a front moving in. We'll see the chance of rain increasing as we get to 9 o'clock tonight for the metro area, about 78 degrees there. And then overnight we'll have lows in the middle and upper 60s, so not too bad. A little bit muggy across the area, but rain is expected overnight and continuing through tomorrow morning all the way through the afternoon with much cooler temperatures, only around 79 degrees. And it's as this front moves in, it stalls over us and bringing a lot of rain, tapping in moisture from the Gulf of Mexico from Helene, believe it or not. So we have a heavy rain threat tomorrow. Then again, Thursday and Friday from Helene, a rain total of those days 2 to 5 inches, possibility of some flash flooding and maybe some gusty winds late Thursday into Friday. As you can see, the heaviest rain total is going to be over eastern Alabama. We're talking 4 to 7 inches there. Again, most of that is going to be from Helene as it works its way northward. So in the short term here, you can see again that rain kind of building up overnight tonight. Watch 3 o'clock in the morning. Band some heavier downpours coming in, maybe some rumbles of thunder. That'll continue into the morning commute on Wednesday. Through about midday Wednesday, still some rain. Scattered about Wednesday afternoon as the front stalls basically over top of central Alabama. But then Wednesday night, watch how the rain starts coming up from the south. That is going to be from Helene as we head eventually throughout the day on Thursday. And Helene right now with winds of 50, still a tropical storm, moving west-northwest to 12, forecast to be near Cozumel and Cancun, becoming a hurricane Wednesday. But as it works its way across the Gulf of Mexico, look how big the spread of rain is. We're talking across much of Florida, all the way back to almost New Orleans. It'll be a Category 3 here Thursday afternoon, landfall Thursday evening, and then weakening quickly to a tropical storm by 1 a.m. on Friday. But notice that rain, most of the heaviest rain going to be over into Georgia and points there off to the east. Again, that's going to be the wet side. We're going to be on the relatively dry side of the system here as we go throughout the day there on Thursday into Friday as the storm works its way back to the north. So we'll be watching that, and the rainmaker, though, is going to be an issue for us. Possibility of that flash flooding, wind gusts through Thursday and Friday. But notice here as we go throughout Thursday as that band of rain starts building up from the south, winds will start increasing 20, 25 gusts here. Not as windy as with Francine, but that heavy rain will continue throughout the day on Thursday into Thursday night. Notice the stronger wind gusts farther off to the east, closer to where the center of circulation of Helene will be, and that'll continue into Thursday evening as well. So with that in mind, weather aware Wednesday for that front and heavy rain Thursday and Friday from Helene with temperatures in the 70s each day, then only the 80s this weekend. But